thinking about Istanbul's rising prices, I found the ultimate gem for families only $200 for 5 people, breakfast included. Look at this entrance. You're literally walking on history. These are ancient ruins still being excavated right under a glass floor. It feels so mysterious. Let's check the room. It's a spacious connecting suite first, a cozy double bedroom, and through this door, a large living area. Behind this partition is a triple room with 3 beds. The only catch, there's just 1 bathroom for the whole suite, but wait until you see the view. The Hagia Sophia is right in front of you. It's unbeatable. Hagia Sophia, the Basilica Cistern, and the Blue Mosque are all just a 3-minute walk away. Trams and taxis are right at your doorstep, making it super easy to get anywhere. For this price and location, it's a total steal. Stay tuned in the next video. I'll show you how to get and use the Istanbul transport card.